I'd like to solve this equation. I'm going to notice that I have logarithms all around on both sides of the equation, and they're all the same base. They happen to all be base 10, which is nice because that means I don't have to write the base every time. First thing I'm going to do is over here on the right, I have two separate logarithms, and I'd like to combine them, which I can do using rules of logarithms. There is no action on the left. There's nothing I can do on the left. It's fine anyway. I have one logarithm on the left. On the right, I have two logarithms, same base. I can combine them into a single logarithm by multiplying. So 4 times x, I guess I could say x4, but that sounds weird. So 4 times x. Now I have log on the left, log on the right, same base. If the logarithms are equal, since the logarithmic functions are 1 to 1, that means the things I'm taking the logarithm of must also be equal. So I'm going to say that means x plus 4 equals 4x. Well, that's just the regular old linear equation. I can solve that in all the usual linear equation ways. I'm going to combine like terms, get all the x's on one side, the equal sign, all the numbers on the other side, 4x minus 1x. And now I can divide both sides by 3. And I get x equals 4/3. And when you get to here, you might kind of feel finished, x equals 4/3. But here's the thing. Since the domain of the logarithmic function is positive values only, I have to check to make sure this is a true solution and not an extraneous solution. Have to, not optional. What that means is I'm going to come back up here to the original equation, and I'm going to try my values of x one at a time. Okay, I only have one in that equation, and make sure I am only trying to take logs of positive values. So here we go. Log of 4/3 plus 4 equals log of 4/3 plus log of 4. Let's see what's going on here. 4/3 plus 4. Well, those are both positive numbers, so when I add them together, still positive. That's fine. Log of 4/3. 4/3 is positive. That's fine. Log of 4, that was always fine. So I checked. I'm only trying to take logarithms of positive values. That's good. Now, not before now, but now, we can put the big box around it and say, yes, we checked. X equals 4/3 is actually a solution to this equation.